हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स एंड पेंशनर्स। तो अभी जो लेटेस्ट अपडेट है रिगार्डिंग द सीएलसी मीटिंग, अभी सीएलसी मीटिंग कॉल सीएलसी एंड एआईबीआरएफ आईबीए एंड डीएफएस की अभी जॉइंट मीटिंग कॉल हुई है एंड दैट्स अ गुड न्यूज़ फॉर ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द पेंशनर्स. सो एक्चुअली वी गोना सी द सर्कुलर हेयर. सो ऑल इंडिया बैंक रिटायर्स फेडरेशन का 10 अक्टूबर 2022 का जो सर्कुलर है दोस्तों वो आउट हो चुका है, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द पेंशनर्स. तो अभी आप देखें यहाँ पे, तो इसका जो सब्जेक्ट है, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट है ग्रीवियंस ऑफ रिटायर्स ऑन ग्रुप मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस स्कीम and joint meeting convened by CLC on 21st of October 2022 to consider AIBF representations. तो जैसा कि आपको पता है भी अभी AIBRF ने लेटर लिखा था टू द CLC रिगार्डिंग द ग्रुप मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस स्कीम के रिगार्डिंग भी उनको जो प्रीमियम है बहुत हाई है एंड दैट्स नॉट गुड फॉर द रिटायरीज. तो उसको उस मुद्दे को लेके अभी सीएलसी ने मीटिंग कॉल करी है टू ऑल आईबीए को भी कॉल करा है उसमें एंड उसने एआईबीआरएफ को भी कॉल करा है एंड डीएफएस को भी कॉल करा है. तो अभी अब वो हम देखेंगे दोस्तों. सो वी रिक्वेस्ट यू टू रेफर अवर सर्कुलर नंबर 2022 बाय 674 डेटेड 2nd October 2022. So advising submission of representation to Chief Labour Commissioner by AIBRF, bringing to their notice grievance of retirees on group medical insurance scheme with the request to convene joint meeting of IBA, DFS and AIBRF representation for resolving of these grievances. And we wish to advise as per the notice dated 10th of October 2022 received from Office of Chief Labour Commissioner, New Delhi. Deputy Chief Labour Commissioner has fixed joint discussion on the issues raised by AIBRF on 21st October 2022 at 3:30 p.m. So notice has been sent to Chairman IBA Mumbai and Joint Secretary DFS Government of India asking them to participate in the meeting. So copy of notice is enclosed to your information. एंड अभी हम देखेंगे वो इन्फॉर्मेशन में है क्या. एज एडवाइज्ड इन आवर रेफर्ड सर्कुलर अंडर पैरा द फॉलोइंग issues has been raised by AIBRF which are likely to come from discussion and IBA and DFS are likely to give their reactions on them. So role and responsibility of IBA as administration, monitoring and nodal agency as apex level under the scheme, legal position of retirees as beneficiary and customers under the scheme, and status of retirees movement and retirees organization as independent groups as determined by the Parliament Committee on Public Grievances in 2009 and accepted by Managing Committee of IBA, and asking member banks to recognize retirees as independent group and hold discussions with them as contained in IBA circular dated 2009 and 2016. नेक्स्ट जो पॉइंट है वो है IBA continues refusal to recognize retirees organization as independent entity and hold various implementation problems under the scheme with them in contradiction of their own communications and parliament committee directives. Next was to examine IBA accountability in refusing to entertain grievances of retirees having direct stake as beneficiary and customers in group medical scheme in any form and not discharging their responsibility as monitoring and nodal agency at the apex level. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है व्हाट आर द लीगल राइट्स ऑफ रिटायरीज एज इंडिपेंडेंट ग्रुप फॉर resolution of their grievances in this regard and other several connected issues. We shall advise outcome of the discussion in due course and AIBRF is committed to take all the possible steps at organization level to address the retirees' concern in the matter and work for the solution. So we assure our this step will be decisive to bring out much needed relief to the retirees from unaffordable premium rates. So when you have grievance against your ex-employees, you have several options. So we assure our this step will be decisive to bring much needed relief to the retirees from unaffordable premium rates. So when you have grievance against your ex-employees, you have several options, routes, roadmaps to pursue the matter for redressal. So this is the time we all should remain united and continue to struggle and fight by remaining part of the scheme instead of running away from it. दोस्तों, so we find that some of the affiliates who have been advocating for another group insurance policy as an alternative have circulated terms and conditions of policy for 22 and 23. So it is seen that there's an equally steep increase in premium rates and probably more than IBA rates in terms of percentage and withdrawal of slab of 1 and 2 lakh, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है दोस्तों. उसके बाद नॉन अवेलिटी ऑफ डिस्काउंट टू फैमिली एंड सिंगल प्रीमियम्स loans at a very hefty rate of interest. They seem to be adverse features which are likely to affect retirees' interest adversely. So we feel that it is a duty of the concerned affiliates to bring these adverse points to the notice of the member prominently for taking correct decisions by the retirees. Other than this, so there is hardly any organization steps which can be thought of in this regard. तो आपको पता है दोस्तों, अभी बहुत ऑल्टरनेटिव पॉलिसीज़ आउट हो रही हैं जो कि आपको पता है अभी उनका अभी प्रीमियम हो सकता है कम हो, बट दे आर ऑफरिंग द लोन्स एट वेरी हैफ्टी रेट्स. So today we need so today need of the hour is to work with unity to bring improvements in IBA policy and strengthen hands of this organization in the right rather than seeing left and right. So this was the important news, and you can see the letter is written by SC Jain General Secretary AIBRF. So guys, please subscribe to channel for latest banking and pension updates. So this is a quite major update you are right now seeing. So we're gonna see what will be the output of this meeting, as जॉइंट मीटिंग जो हो रही है वो अभी CLC 22 अक्टूबर 2022 की हो रही है टू कंसिडर AIBRF रिप्रेजेंटेशंस. सो यहाँ पे जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है वो ये है भी चीफ लेबर कमिश्नर का क्विक रिप्लाई, क्योंकि ये हाल ही में लेटर अभी AIBRF ने लिखा था ऑन 2 अक्टूबर, तो अभी 10 अक्टूबर को उन्होंने रिप्लाई कर दिया एंड 21 अक्टूबर वी आर हैविंग अ meeting because and that's a very good news. And chief labor commission response back to AIBRF on medical insurance scheme. So we're gonna see the actual results of this meeting, whether it's gonna be a useful or they are going to defer the issue again and again. So dosto, that's all for this session. Stay tuned to the channel. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and as with this kind of gestures give us a confidence to make the videos in the future and to bring the latest updates with you in a very quick and short manner. So guys, please like, subscribe and share to the information. That's all. Thank you.